5 Supernatural Affirmations for Personal Success.
This is Law of Attraction Secrets. Join Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach Robert Zink and prepare to be empowered.
Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time you might be listening to this special Law of Attraction Personal Empowerment podcast. I am your miracle mentor, your mentor of light, Robert Zink. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Oh, let's take a nice, deep, cleansing breath. Feels good. Feels wonderful. Today we're sharing with you 5 supernatural affirmations for personal success. I promise you, if you will use these affirmations for 28 days, you will see supernatural results in your life. Things will begin to change because you are beginning to change. Manifestation, as I have said, is an inside job. You change within first, and then the outside world begins to change around you. Anybody and everybody who has been successful in creating something dynamic that changed the world saw that change first, felt that change first, and totally believed in that change. I'm telling you right now, fellow flyers, high flyers, you're beautiful. Never, never doubt the power of belief. Never doubt your power to believe in yourself. That is the most powerful, precious gift you have been given. And perhaps your parents tried to take it away from you. Perhaps your friends and social circle, maybe they've tried to take it away. Maybe school tried to pull it out of you. They wanted you to feel like everyone else. They wanted you to conform like everyone else. They wanted you to stand in line like everyone else. And while I understand that we do need to have some social decorum in our world, I also understand that while you were standing in line like everyone else, you knew you were different. You understood it. You couldn't articulate it, but you understood it. You believed it. I'm asking you now to believe it again. I'm asking you now to accept it into your life, that you are unique, that you are one of a kind, that you are a beautiful jewel, that there never has been, nor will there ever be, another like you. Your uniqueness is where your power is. Everybody says, well, I've got to look like her. I've got to look like him. I'm not tall enough. I'm not fat enough. I'm not thin enough. You know, if you spend the rest of your life trying to be like everyone else, you'll go to your grave trying to be like everyone else. That's where you can be like everyone else, when you die. When you die, you will be like everyone else. But right now, while there is spirit pouring through your body, while there is life force pouring through your body, while you are alive and vibrating and your soul is within your body, you are unique and you have the opportunity to live the life that you desire, the life that you deserve, and the life you were put here to live. Are you ready for these 5 supernatural affirmations for personal success? Because by doing these personal affirmations for 28 days, if you do them repeatedly all day long, I mean, put them on a 3x5 card, carry them on your iPhone, constantly, repeat these affirmations to yourself, you're going to see absolutely and incredibly supernatural changes in your life. Number 1, I am amazing. Don't you dare smile at that. Don't you dare smirk. You are amazing. There is something about you that makes you unique and different. And while not everyone is going to agree with you or your perspective on the world, you are amazing. You are incredible. And if you look at it, you need to believe it though. You need to get down into your soul and say, I am amazing. I firmly believe that this is a key affirmation that should be in every single affirmation protocol. I don't care what you're doing affirmations about. If you're doing affirmations about lost love, I am amazing. I am amazing. If you're doing affirmations about business, I am amazing. If you're doing affirmations about your career, I am amazing. You see, when you believe, remember we talked about belief a moment ago. When you believe fully in your soul, when it permeates every aspect of your life that you are amazing, you will attract energy, you will attract people, you will attract opportunities, you will attract money to you in large amounts. Absolutely. I want you to look at some of the people that have done some incredible things and made huge amounts of money. Every single one of them, if you were to ask them privately, would tell you, in this I am amazing. You know, look at, they may not believe that they are amazing in every aspect of their life, but they believe that overall they are an amazing star that has descended to earth and is here to shine for a time. I believe that about you. I'm absolutely certain of it. High flyers, say it right now out loud. I don't care where you're at. You're walking down the hall listening to me in your earbuds. You're driving. I want you to say it. I am amazing. Believe it. Number 2. Oh, this goes along. See, you have to believe that you are amazing in order to say the next affirmation. Only amazing people can truly say the next affirmation I'm about to give you. Look at, you are ready to release supernatural powers in your life. Without a doubt, you're going to have the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health that you depend upon. Here's the second affirmation. I can do anything. Oh, yeah. I can do anything. I can do anything. There is nothing beyond your ability. Now, that doesn't mean that physically that you are the one that is going to do it. Wayne Dyer talked about that in a PBS special many years ago. He said, look, I can do anything. I may not be skilled at plumbing, but I know who to hire to get the job done and done right. You can do anything. People that have designed and built skyscrapers, they didn't get in there with a hammer and nails. They found the right people to get the job done. You have the ability to find the right people, the right resources, the right friends, the right mentors, the right coaches to help you get the job done, because you deserve to have the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health that you depend upon. I can do anything. Number 3, I am positive and optimistic. I want you to define yourself. I want you to define yourself for yourself and for others. I'm positive and optimistic. Oh, I don't think that can be done, Robert. I'm positive and optimistic. We can find a way to do it. Well, that's never going to make it up that hill. I'm positive and optimistic. We can not only make it up the hill, but make it down the hill as well. You see, you want to be around people that are positive and optimistic. I know that. We all do. I seek out people that are positive and optimistic for friendships. I don't want to be around negative people. You see what I'm saying? So the more positive and optimistic you are, the more you attract positive and optimistic people into your life. It's a wonderful win-win situation. And when you believe that in every situation, the seed of goodness is planted and can be nourished. The seed of goodness is planted and can be nourished. I mean that. Even something that seems bad, something that seems tragic, within that situation is the seed of goodness. And you can nurture it. And it can grow. I am positive and optimistic. Number 4. Oh, I love this one. I got this for my Father's Day card. I used to use this on my phone, but James Brown screams so loud at the beginning of this that it scared people who were listening in the background. If I was on a mentoring call, they'd hear this scream of James Brown and then singing, I Feel Good. But isn't that a wonderful, supernatural affirmation? I feel good. That means my soul is in alignment with my dreams. My spirit is moving through my body and giving me energy and power. My mind and my thoughts are in alignment with my goals. I feel good. It's morning. It's time to get up. I feel good. When you choose to feel good, you feel good. And the more you affirm that you feel good, the better you will feel most of the time. Next one. Are you ready? I am successful. Everything I need, I already have. I am successful. Everything I need, I already have. It's not about, I don't have this, I don't have that, I need this, I want that. I already have it. If it's been put in your heart, listen to me now. Oh, I can hear them rumbling. Some of the law of attraction gurus are going to be pulling their hair out over this one. But I'm going to say it to you right now the way it is, and you won't hear other people tell you this. If the universe has placed it in your heart to desire it, and it's not a desire based on lower vibration, it's not a desire based on, say, anger. It's not a desire based on lust. It's not a desire based on hate. It's not a desire based on ego. But it is a true, living, breathing desire, a passion within you. Then it's already present. All you have to do is pull the levers, turn the locks, open the door to allow it into your life. Stop looking down the road for the money you desire. It's already within you. Stop looking down the road for the love that you crave. It's already within you. Stop looking down the road into other practitioners for the healing you deserve. It's already within you. If that desire is there, if it's real, if it's based on higher emotions, it was put there for a reason. Never doubt it. Embrace it. Love it. Cherish it. I am successful. Everything I need, I already have. Well, there you go. Some supernatural affirmations for personal success. Use them for 28 days. Keep in touch with me. Let me know that everything is coming your way, the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health that you depend upon. Everything is flowing easily now into your life. Oh, have a great day. Have a wonderful day, because you absolutely deserve it.
Awaken the most powerful creative visualization techniques used by extraordinary achievers all over the world. One of the most powerful secrets to success and happiness is creative visualization. Many celebrities have endorsed creative visualization, such as Jim Carrey, Tiger Woods, Oprah, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Will Smith, and Bill Gates. Not to mention greats like John F. Kennedy and Albert Einstein. Now you can release the astonishing power of creative visualization in your life. Achieve your goals, boost confidence, accelerate health, uncover opportunities, bust free from anxiety and stress. You deserve to have the money you want, the love you crave, and the health and energy you need. Get Robert and Rachel Zink's Creative Visualization Program today. This simple and easy-to-use program will have you attracting the life you desire. Download your copy now at www.lawofattractionsolutions.com. Put the incredible power of your mind to work for you with creative visualization.